guys, welcome back. I fucking missed you all. No, but for real, welcome back to the channel. It's me, iAmSkyro. I told you we're gonna react to another video right now. Like my jacket, Teeka got it for me. Those are her leg. Just ignore her leg right there. Okay, we are going to react to Harley Quinn versus the Cops. Now, this is from Birds of Prey. I work in a movie theater. I have not seen Birds of Prey. I just wasn't interested in it, to be honest, you know? Even though I could see it for free, I'm like, wasn't interested. But I want to see the scene, so we're going to watch it. And yeah, so I hope you like it. I already know she's pretty badass, but you know. Okay. I like the music, you know.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
What?
This one.
Knocked the glass right off his face. Okay, girl.
Hi, boys.
Dana looks like Stone Cold Steve Austin. Oh! Hey, boys.
It's over.
Yo, the effects are lit in this movie. Wow, love matches right here. Cool scene. Not gonna lie, I'm still iffy about this scene. It's still like, same thing with the movie. Pause. So, you know how some actresses, you know, who are females, can make it seem believable that, you know, they can take on a whole bunch of guys. For example, think about the show Nikita, right? Maggie Q in that show, like, she can be pretty badass. It's still, I still kind of find it hard to believe in this. I'm thinking she can take out all those cops just by the way the whole is moving. But, I don't know. Let's just keep watching it. I'm just going to put my input in that, so. I thought that dog was real before. I thought it was her little hyena.
Find Cassandra Cain.
What is she shooting them with? Glitter?
Still 7.
Thanks,
That's a fun gun.
You're a peach.
Okay.
Hey, I know that guy.
Paintball? What? I was hoping for some more like blood, you know? Maybe I'm so just watching this gory stuff. You just press the button, girl. I mean, of course that works.
Harley Quinn!
Don't mind me, guys. Let's go. Here for the kids.
What's up, girl?
Yeah, sorry about that. Hey, kids.
You're the psycho from the roller derby.
Are you Cassandra
The
Cain?
psycho from the
Yeah.
roller derby. Do they all just get released?
You need to know what... Oh, please.
Harley Quinn!
Probably put them all in the prison. Oh, you get them a lot. Okay, that fight scene was to me. I was hoping for a little bit more blood, a little bit more gore, you know what I'm saying? Didn't really get all of that. Yeah, I get it was fun, you know, paintballs, glitter party, whatever. Yeah, again, it was at the movies forever, and I still had no, like, intentions on seeing it, but whatever. The one thing with this movie that I wished, that I always said when it was in theaters, is I wish that it was focused more on her upbringing. Like, again, I haven't seen the movie, but I wish it was more focused on her upbringing and not just, like, a whole bunch of girls just like, oh yeah, let's just do that. That's kind of, you know, but I'll see it, give it a chance, and see what I actually think of it. I should have saw it when it was free at the movies, but now the movies is closed up. But yeah, everyone have a good one. I am going to react to Kuroko no Basket. My phone wasn't charged enough for it, and I react to My Hero Academia. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to catch you guys later.